All right, welcome back to AI content creation. I'm going to show you this really cool tool that I discovered today, and it is called Smart Slides. And what you're able to do with this plugin, first of all, you have to have ChatGPT Plus, and that is $20 a month. And that gives you access to all the plugins in the plugin store, which is there's over 1,000 of them in the plugin store. It turns ChatGPT into a just complete game-changing software. As if it's not good enough, when you actually pay for the Plus membership, you get access to all these plugins that you can basically find a plugin for almost anything that you need to do online. Now, I'll show you how you can get to it. So you would just go to ChatGPT. They have recently changed their looks and the user interface, right? So they've kind of changed the way it looks a little bit. And you can come over here and I will select GPT-4 over here. And in order to use GPT-4, it'll open up this plugins section where you'll actually go over here to the plugin store. And of course, there are a lot. So if we went to all, you're going to see 131 pages of plugins, which is pretty dang cool, right? But what I did was I just went over and I like to see what's popular. What are people using right now? What's beneficial to people? And I went over here to page 2 and I found, let's see, maybe it was page 3 even. Yeah, on page 3, I found this one called Smart Slides, and it will allow you to use AI-powered tool for rapid PowerPoint presentations. Just input needs and let AI do the rest. So what I did was I installed that. And then what you'll want to do is come over here to ChatGPT and select GPT-4, and we'll go ahead and do that real quick. And GPT-4 right there. And then what you'll do is you'll select plugins and then you'll go and make sure that Smart Slides is checkmarked. And then right over here, you'll say, create for me a PowerPoint. You can actually just say slides, but PowerPoint presentation about how to use ChatGPT in your small business. So it's going to go out and you'll see that it'll start right using Smart Slides. It's going to go out there and start creating this presentation for us. And it'll take a couple minutes. It figured out kind of the first initial research right here. You can go and take a look at what it's doing. I mean, look at this primary. It's got colors right over here. So we could actually tell it to use specific colors, maybe use black and yellow, things like that. And it will actually apply that. Right now, it's going to apply everything pretty basic topics, business, technology, AI, Calibri is going to be the font and the sizes and so forth. So it's going to go and start creating these. Like right over here, we have benefits of ChatGPT for small businesses. It's creating a slide for us right there for our cover slide. And then it's going to have practical applications and implementing GPT, and it's doing all this stuff for us in the background. Okay, so now it's working on slide 2 right over there. So then now it says your PowerPoint presentation, how to use ChatGPT in your small business is ready. You can download it here. So then it has a download for you. You're going to need PowerPoint. I believe you'd still be able to use this with Google Slides. I have PowerPoint installed on my machine, but I believe you'd be able to use this with any, presentation reading software. I don't know that, but because I have PowerPoint on my machine. But you click over here to download the presentation. It goes up to the top right over here, and then you'll just click on it, and then you'll have that presentation created. I have another one that we can go look at because I just created another one before this as well. But we can go and take a look at what it actually created. Look at all these slides that it created for us. This one's definitely not as fancy as the one that it created earlier for me. But what you can do is you could come up here and you could just say slideshow and from the start, and then it's going to look like this, right? Smart Slides. And then we can come over here, welcome, introduction to using ChatGPT in your small business. What is ChatGPT? Definition of ChatGPT, capabilities and features, and we have benefits of ChatGPT for small business. It's cost-effective solutions, enhances customer service, streamlining operations, practical applications, customer support, data analysis, content creation, implementing ChatGPT, all kinds of good stuff, right? Then case studies, real-world examples of using it. So that's really, really good, right? and then conclusion right there. Okay. So that's what it was able to do. Of course, we could come in here and add more to this, right? Add more to the presentation. And this is what's going to make it unique. You could add some more images and so forth. Now, I haven't figured out how to get rid of this little smart slides GPT thing over here. I don't know why that's there, but a quick fix to that is you would just go to insert and you would go to shapes and just get this rectangle, draw a rectangle over it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just come up over here and the shape fill is going to be white. And then you're going to go over to the outline button and say no outline. And then now look, it's completely gone. And then what you could do is just copy this, right? And then you can go up to all the rest of them and then just push paste, and it's going to just paste it over all of them right there. You could also go into a master slides section and do that probably all in one go if you want to do that. Okay. So this is the example of this one. But then I have another one for you as well that I think it did a lot better at. And I think that being more specific about colors, fonts, maybe say you want 3 points on each slide, probably being more specific than just this very simplistic thing that I'm asking right over here, although it did a good job on this one. I said, make me a slide presentation about the top 5 benefits of email marketing. It did its thing right over here, and then we went and downloaded that one as well. Now we can go and take a look at that one as well, and it's right over here. So I'll just double click on that one. Okay, so I'm going to open that one up, and then you can see that this one did a lot better job. So let's go and take a look at this one. So we have the introduction to email marketing, overview of email marketing, importance in digital marketing strategy. Benefit number 1, cost effectiveness. Now we have low operation costs. We have high ROI compared to other marketing channels. And you can see that it gave us a really nice image for everything. You can actually remove the credits over here if you wanted to as well, but it gave us some nice screenshots. Benefit 2, targeted and personalized content, ability to segment your audience, personalization enhances engagement. And then you just click, it automatically added fades to this as well. And so it's just really, really nice, right? So this one did a lot better job. There's a lot more going on the screen. We've got an image. And you could also probably say that in your prompt, hey, use a unique image for every slide, use this many bullet points and so forth, and then specify color. And that's what how I think you'd be able to get really good use out of this. We have benefit 3, measurable results, easy to track and analyze, enables data driven decisions. Builds relationships. And so you can just see how you could, if you were in a bind and you needed to create some slides real quick, you could actually tell it exactly what you want on each slide. You even have your conclusion right over here. So really, in a nutshell, if you really needed to in a bind, right? And then once this creates this for you, you can actually interchange these out. You can right click, you can change the picture, stock images, online sources, change this up a little bit. But if you actually spend 10 minutes outlining exactly what you want for your presentation, tell it what kind of images to create and so forth, and specify that it needs an image on every one of them, you could actually probably create a really good presentation using this Smart Slides GPT plugin. I think this is a really, really unique plugin, and there's probably a reason why it is on the popular it's made its way to the popular plugins list right now. So recommend you going and taking a look at Smart Slides. Just wanted to get this tutorial out so you can actually go and start playing around with this. If you build presentations, this might be something really cool. If you're already paying $20 a month for ChatGPT, you may as well let this slide use AI and have this create your slides for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to AI content creation, and I'll see you in the next video.